guys, what is cracking? Welcome to the vlog. It is October the 5th. I'm here in central London and it is coming up to 9 AM. Kind of grey, but I heard it's gonna be dry today. But I'm on the way to meet a special guest and yeah, I think it's gonna be a really cool, fun vlog. Client session, training, whatever you want to call it, day to day, collaboration, whatever you want to call it. But she's a really cool girl and I'm gonna let her introduce herself to the vlog. It's really loud here, by the way, sorry. It's super noisy here, annoying. Yo, so check out this hotel, guys. Mayfair Hotel. This is serious. I didn't say, right? I'm gonna sit down here. Right, so I've just got to the hotel. I'm gonna message her to come down. This is a swanky hotel, guys. It's the Mayfair Hotel in Green Park. Ferrari's outside, well above my station. But let's give her a message and get her to come down. I changed the setup of this mic recently and I realised from the Hyde Park meetup, like, it did pretty well, to be fair, because it was like so windy that day and it survived. And to be honest with you, I don't really like the audio on this camera, but the worst thing is when it's just super windy. But anyway, I'm just waiting here now. I'm gonna wait for her to come downstairs. Yo, yo.
Hey,
what's happening?
How are you?
Lovely to meet you. Rishi, how are you?
Good. They said the gym is downstairs. Just on this side. That's funny. Like looking all over. Yeah, sorry.
Let's see if there's space.
I went the other way. Signing.
Yeah, we might have some room as long as we're not in the way.
Very cool.
Nice one. Perfect, thank you. Do you want to quickly introduce yourself to my peeps?
Is it rolling?
It's rolling,
It's
man.
rolling? Oh my god.
It's rolling.
Well, hey guys, it's your girl Jenna. I'm in London. My friend Rishi is about to teach me how to jump rope, okay? I know how to jump rope a little bit, but he's about to take me through the more intense situation. So we're about to get right into this.
That's what it's about. Tell him exactly what you do.
So basically, I am like an actress, a model, I think they use this word influencer now, so I'm gonna say influencer. I'm trying to set my foot into the YouTube game, so we're all gonna grow together.
Good.
And be great.
Go follow her. I'm gonna put a little.
Make sure you follow me.
Put your stuff down here somewhere.
Maybe here or here.
That's
I don't
it.
know. He's gonna put it somewhere right
That's
there.
it. What can they expect from your channel? What are they gonna see?
You're gonna see a mixture of everything. A lot of people cannot pinpoint what exactly you follow me for. You'll see me with exotic animals. You'll see me jumping out of perfectly fine airplanes, riding a motorcycle, doing some beauty stuff.
Sick.
You know, and we're in the UK, so make sure that you check out my makeup line that's coming out exclusively at Primark.
What a legend. I've got you some goodies. And yeah, listen, just sit back. I'm probably gonna do maybe like a commentary or something, or just keep it raw. So we'll take you through some usual workouts, some beginner steps, and then show her some cool new tricks. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video.
Pink.
You gotta let me know what colours you like,
I like
most.
this.
Yeah? Let's go with pink then.
Yeah, please.
Let's go with pink. I'm gonna size that up for you as well.
Y'all trainers better step up your game, because you're not coming through this.
She's killing it with the plug. I love it.
That's dope.
What a legend, man. Alright, so these are the first steps. Ah, she's got moves. I love it. Go on, let's see what you got. Let's see what you got.
We're done.
We're gonna see now. We're gonna see the before and after.
Okay.
Alright, come. Let's see this. This is her before. However you like to jump normally. Yo, she's good, guys. Does it feel weird?
Y'all don't make fun of me.
No, they won't make fun of you, man. My crew are cool, man. Okay, so I'm gonna correct you here a little bit. Oops, nearly fell over there. So you know your arm, rather than your hand in here. It's all about aesthetics, right? I'm gonna make it look really good.
Okay.
So from here, I'm gonna step here. The elbows come back. So that's the technique. This is like the beginner style.
Yeah,
You see that? You're not doing that with this. When you do these little swings here, you put your hands like this, like kind of straight. So kind of good that we've got indoors. Yeah. And the rope needs to kind of pass like straight. Yeah, there you go. Right. Keep that on there. So you sit there as well, right? Right, folks, we got her on the balance steps here. One leg on, one leg off. Nice. That's it, keep your balance. And take a break. The pressure, everyone falls to the pressure. Right, the only thing I'm gonna say, we'll do that one more time. You see this little square here?
Yeah.
I want you to stay in that square, yeah. Right, I'm gonna try and get your balance like super sharp. Good, much better. No injuries, yeah, no injuries. I've got no insurance. Nice, some more angles. I don't mind if you trip like that because it means like you're kind of jumping low. Yeah, nice. There we go. Sweet. Like the technique. Oh, sick
That's
this
funny.
video, man.
Let me go to your crazy combo.
Showing her the combo peeps. Yeah, I finish at 360. Are you sweating yet? How much are you sweating? Enough?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good, it's good. That's what we're doing, we're trying to promote this. Nice and slow, nice and slow. It's good, guys, man. No, it's good, it's good. She's learning fast. Nice. There you go. Cross down through.
Sorry.
Uncross.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. Yeah. Good. Uncross. Yeah, my girl. We take that though, we take that. We take that. One more. We're gonna get one clean. Guys, I'm super proud of this girl. Yeah, so when you're crossing
Too low?
like this. You wanna be like here and here. Yeah. Good. Good. Another one. Yeah. Yes. How do you pronounce your surname?
Jena Frumes.
Frumes. Have you got French like in your
I think
background?
it's a French name, but that name is actually not biologically related to me.
Okay.
I'm actually not French at all. I just did my DNA test.
Really? Frumes, you say, yeah?
Frumes, yeah.
I avoided saying it at the beginning of the video.
No, it's fine.
I thought-
Frumes.
I was like, yeah, you're gonna meet someone cool.
They say fumes.
Fume sounds cool. We're learning some coordination. It's high knee step. It's the one. This step gets everyone. All of my clients.
Really?
They watch me do it, and they're just like, yeah, and then they're like, yeah, I can do this, and then every time they do it, it's like, this is weird. What do you find hard about this one?
It's like I can do just the boom boom, but the
Just when the rope's there, it just kind of makes it a little bit trippy,
exactly.
right?
That's why I'm like, I can do like.
Yeah,
really
that's
what
all it
you're
is.
doing, right?
That's all you're doing, and at the same time, it just.
You do the rope and I'll jump.
Yeah. Guys, you guys know that this one's tough as well. Like it looks a lot easier than it
You
really
make
is.
it easy.
This is years, man. This is years. This is years. This is years of practice. Do you do boxing? You said, yeah.
Yeah, I box.
Yeah. What's your favorite kind of fitness sport type? How do you keep in shape?
My favorite thing is martial arts.
Martial arts,
Probably
yeah?
And boxing, because
What do you do? Jiu-jitsu and stuff like that?
Muay Thai, Wing Chun.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Wow.
it's fun. It's good. For,
Are you good?
I'm okay. I studied it for like. Can't even talk. I'm tired. For like movies, so
Yeah.
I learned like the theatrical way, like how it would look good on camera.
Amazing.
So technically, it's not the proper way, but I still think I could beat somebody's butt.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
This is what you need, man. So this skipping is gonna make you sharper,
Yeah, that's the thing I have to work on.
especially if you do boxing. This girl has smashed it.
I'm trying.
She's learned a lot, man.
Trying to be coachable.
Nah, you're definitely coachable, man.
Okay, good.
Very easy to work with.
Thanks.
And I'm not even just saying that, but
Better not be just saying.
not just saying that, not just saying that. So Jenna's gonna show us what she's learned today. Let's see. So here we go, guys. So we've neatened up her timing. Nice. And then switch it up. Good. Look at the techniques. There we go. Forward straddle, so switch it up. Yes. Tidy footwork, light on her feet. Getting tired?
I wasn't until you said that.
You're not bad, man.
mental.
You're skipping for like 30 seconds, which is good.
30 seconds. I'm fine.
How did you find the session?
That was really good.
It's good.
Now I gotta try this.
I'm so glad that you said like that you're up for this session.
Yes.
Can you tell me what intrigued you to want to do this? What
It's
about you?
one thing when like trainers hit you up to just work out,
Yeah.
but when you do something like unique, like I'm out of breath. Hold on, give me a second. It's one thing when trainers like hit you up to work out, but when they hit you up to work out with like something unique, like jump roping or like boxing or something like interesting, like that's an activity, not just a workout.
Love it.
I think that's what I like.
Thank you so much for replying.
Thank you for hitting me up.
That's it, man. We're gonna go outside, take some cool
Networking is-
pictures, hopefully. Yeah, thanks so much, man.
Networking is big. I'm about to be out of here, but I'll catch y'all later.
Professional.
So out of breath. No, you're the professional.
How long have you been?
I'm using a phone. Look how I'm holding it.
Guys, we're gonna plug this hat right now. This is a new hat. It's out online right now. RA Classic snapback. We're just doing some file transferring and we're waiting for a bus. That's what we're doing.
Big bus.
We're waiting for a big bus.
Big red.
I just gotta say big up to Jenna. Jenna, give me a high five for the tube.
Thank you.
She's
great.
an absolute ledge. Like, she's so cool. And
Ledge short for legend.
yeah.
Oh.
No, seriously, she's super cool. And not that I judge what am I trying to say? Influencers. That's it. But sometimes they have a bad persona, right? Like, everyone kind of talks about them having this fake lifestyle and showing only highlights, and they're like, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but what I'm trying to say is actually, like, when I met her, like, she was super cool, and she's like looked after me. She's given me a lot of time, and yeah, not all of these influencers are bad peeps, man. She's on, what you on? 3 point something. Like, she's got maybe the whole of London following her. That kind of population, yeah. All right, maybe not the whole of London, but like, she's got I think London's got 10 million people, so that's how much her following is. But she's so humble, and she's super cool, and she's like really genuine, and I really would just tell you, just go follow her now, man. Just don't mess around.
Thank you.
Go give her a follow,
So
and you're gonna post some skipping stuff, right? I hope.
I'm actually
on your
posting right now.
Are you really?
So
hopefully,
yeah.
if you guys catch her,
Yeah.
give her some love. And she's been trained by moi, and I'm honoured, man. I'm honoured to train you.
And shout out to you for not having boring workouts, because some of these trainers will be like, come to the gym. I don't want to go to the gym. I want to do something fun.
That was cool. and you learned. That's it, man. And you learned something.
There's a bus
There's a bus. All right, I gotta keep rolling. Here we go.
Hurry up. Okay, I got mine. Oh, I dropped the bag.
It's not been straight.
Hurry.
Yeah, that's pretty good. But you're really getting into this. I'm really impressed. You're really getting into this skipping thing.
I'm running.
Do go down in that little corner. There's like a thumbs up button. Go hit that thing right now. Only takes a couple of seconds, guys, man. Split second. Give me a thumbs up. It'll help the channel a lot. Look at, she's still skipping. She's got a busy schedule, right? What you got going on? She's got this thing on Monday. If you guys know a certain guy called Logan Paul. You probably don't know him. He's like a low.
Oh,
he's like
not to my friend like that.
He's a small time YouTuber. No, I'm only messing. This guy's big time. They already know who he is. But no, he's got a boxing match with KSI. Don't know if you guys follow them. I'm sure you do. But you've got that on Monday, right?
Yeah.
And then you're back home on Monday, and hopefully you're gonna spread the word, yeah?
Yeah.
You're gonna spread the word about the jump rope.
Yeah.
You're gonna show your crew your skills.
Yeah.
And
Pro now.
yeah, it was a really fun time. So, all right, guys, listen, I'm gonna close off the vlog there. I don't know how I'm gonna cut this up, but I'm gonna try and share what I taught Jenna, and hopefully any beginners watching out there, any ladies as well, take some inspiration from this girl, and yeah, man, keep it real. So, without further ado, take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Say bye, Jenna. Bye. Ciao.